How to fix Instagram story music not working. So you might be in the position where you try to add music to your story, but you are not being able to add. In this case, what you want to do is first of all head over to your Play Store. In the source bar, search for Instagram. And then head over to this application. So right here you can see that it shows the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date, and it might be also one of the reasons that you are facing the issue. In this case, just tap on update and update your application to the latest version, and it might fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. But if it doesn't work for you, then in the next step what you want to do is just go back and head over to your application Instagram. Move into your profile. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Head over to settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on account. Once again scroll down and you'll find the option switch account type. Tap on it. Right here, all you want to do is switch your account to personal account. Once you're on your personal account, it might fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram, and the music you are willing to add will be added successfully, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.